Hello everybody, I'm going to be reviewing a GMod add-on today. Now, for those who have used it before, you might recognise this map, you might not, depends on whether you used it. But this add-on is actually called GWater. Now, let me just quickly show you how to use it. So, once you've got it installed, press F1 or hold Q to get into here, the spawn menu. And you click Weapons, and then GWater. And then look, you've got these three. I'm just going to go with Water Gun. Just make it easier. But watch this. Give it some time. There we go. Look at that. Press H. Gets rid of it. But look at that. It's water. I'm sure you can tell. But if we right click instead of left click, huge water. Now if we just use no clip to go up here. Watch this. What? How about? Oh, it's lagging a bit. It's not too much though. It's very intensive. Wouldn't recommend this if you haven't got a good PC. Now if we press the button, you get to see it slowly go down. And if we no click down here, look at that. Now you're probably wondering where that's going. Well, actually nowhere at the moment, because we need to go in here. Now if we just think we can speed it up, yep we can. And watch this, look at that. That's all the water. Now if we actually press G, we've got a full menu here. And we can do stuff like go into the presets. Now I actually made my own preset here, it's honey. I think it looks pretty cool, but then you've also got stuff like blue, very glowy, I don't know why. Acid, blood, but then if we click goop after selecting blood, look at that. It's everywhere. And then if we click, you've also got the portal gels as well. Which is pretty cool. Then we got the oil. It's a bit too dark though. That's way too dark to be oil. What oil is this? If we press H again, it disappears. As I said, H just makes them disappear. And then G is the menu. If we click that, and then so you see that, and then we press quick where it stops. Look at this. Like we've got like a nice little thing going on. Now I will leave links in the description for all of these, and if you watch this turn, you can see it go round and round and it's slowly going down. But we instead use water and do this, because there actually is no way to get more than one fluid at once. I think it's like performance issues, so that's why. It's completely understandable. We change it while it's in it, so like to blood. Blood isn't as visible, but you can tell it's there. It's very small. We press H again. We just go for like honey or something. Look at that. I made it quite. So this is my own preset. I made it quite sticky. So it's quite droopy. I don't know. Look at that. It's very slow as well, like slow moving. Very rigid, doesn't move much. And if you go inside, it's very much not too wobbly, because if we just press H again, we've got this, means we can put them in here. We just get a bit of that, just keep running. Watch out for the lag, it's quite bad right now. It's more noticeable when you're playing. Now if we just close that and start doing that, look at that. Watch it get squashed. Then back down again and whatever. Now if we go back here, I want to see what this is like with honey. So if we just go to the top of here and just drop that down, see nothing happen really. Now if we just go ahead and do, oh, wrong button, that button. Just look at that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Now if we just decide to open this now. Oh. How about we get rid of them and then we change it to some water and then we just let it fall like that. Now if we watch this fall, it starts flowing out a bit. Now if we want to go and experiment with it more, we go up here, for example. Look at all of these chambers we have in this map. Now this map is specifically made for this, if you couldn't tell. So that's why it's all very much fitting. I don't know, how about we try this one? I don't think I've tried this one yet. Oh, damn. What am I doing? We going? I don't know why I did that, I can no clip, but whatever. What is this? I might fill up, so let's do that again. Well, that covers it, I think, yeah. That's a bit of a blakish thing. Wait, we turn that into, I don't know, acid or oh gosh. Yeah, that's definitely not a good thing. Blood's quite small, but it also takes a lot of particle space, because you see there's a limit, just performance issues, because it's very intense, this mob. Now if we just get a bunch of goop in here, for example, see some of it's already spilled out because it's very buggy physics with this mod. If we just do that, slowly pour out, I'm gonna have some fun. I like to just splash it against some glass and see like what happens and stuff. I think it looks pretty cool. Do it on some corners maybe, you know. It starts to fill. It's pretty cool mod, honestly. Let's go and try out another one. So you see these, I think do that. Yep, got it. I think that's pretty realistic, honestly, for honey. I think it's a bit too bright though. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of the jelly from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, the movie. Wait, what does that look like? Hang on. That can't be right. How about we do water instead? Why does that... What? Why does that work? I don't know. So maybe just do some small bits like that. Shoot it back up and then back through. Yeah, have a mess around with it and let the glue. Glue sticks to everything, look at that. Do we get stuck in it? A bit. Considerable amount. Just throw that there. We just start this. We can maybe put a bit of this in each one. Wondering what play model I'm using. It's a GWater Nero, the Vocaloid. Well, I don't know if it's a Vocaloid. I know Teto isn't technically, but I'm not sure about Nero. Oh god, what is going on? What even is this mod, honestly? Like, it's cool enough, but like, what was the point of it? I mean, it's fun to mess around with, but that is pretty much the spirit of GMod. We just want to do that. That is cool. How does that use up so much particle space there? That's insane. We want to just, like, just a bit of it like that. Look how much space that takes up. It's hardly anything. Yeah, as I said, my favourite thing to do is just to... So, what do I just add some water. Then I turn it into blood, then goop, then blood again, then goop. And look at that. It splashes everywhere. You get like nice patches of it. But then if we make it back to water, it'll start spreading into each other again. It's like a... I don't know how to describe it. It's pretty cool. Look a little bit. Wait, what happens if I like place some water on this elevator? Well, lift. It's a lift, guys. What you should be calling it anyway. A lift. I call it elevator because I'm tired. No, I'm not tired, guys. Oh, whoa. What was that? What if we now change it to, like, I don't know, goop? I don't know, portal. Oh, honey. If we just do this, and eventually catches back up to... Whoa, wait. I want to see what that looks like. Oh, it's like... I don't know. It's not very drippy. It doesn't drip anywhere. That is cool, though. I like to see it, like, just drag along the wall because it's funny. Like, this is like... I'm just gonna watch it until the end. And when it hits the ground, I'm just gonna turn it to goop. Then blood, then goop again. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. Oh, it even got over there. That's crazy. Oh, literally Oh. Did any get on down here? Yep, a little bit. Not as much as I expected, honestly. What if I just, like, add some honey here? Just add a bit of honey. And then what if I, like, move that? No, that's the wrong button. Why did I expect that to work? What just happened? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to that. Let's jump down into this thing. Look down in it. Look, oh, no, I'm not. Oh, damn. This is cool. Honestly, this is actually my favorite add-on now. Mods? No, add-ons. It is add-ons. I am right. Why have they made it orange though, like this entire thing? I think it's meant to look like kind of like a test map. You know, the ones in the early source days. You know exactly what I'm on about. Go back down there actually. Let's just... What happens if I do that? Whoa. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Then at the last second, let's just turn it into goop. And then blood, and then goop again. And it's absolutely... That's mad how fast that, like, just splatters everywhere. This is basically like non-sticky honey, I'd say. A bit of glue and glue some things together. I don't know if that'll work. No, I don't think you can, but it's more so it sticks to things than anything. It's just like... And then let's just do a bit of this. Look at that, that's cool. That's like a... Whoa. That's a cool effect. How about I just, you know... Now it's stuck to the glass. Now we just... do it over here a bit, and then over here. Let's get some inside of these. Look at that. Amazing. Let's turn it into honey, and then blood, and goop again. Wait, what if I just put a bit of goop here, and then we just let it splash around? Oh, that's cool. Does it pick it up though? No, it doesn't. I don't think it's made for that anyway. We'll press that again. Yeah, it slowly slows down. Press it again. It goes fast again. Wait, what if I use acid or blood and then goop again? Absolutely everywhere. And then we'll go back to water again and just do a bit of splashing around. Let's make like a pool. We can find somewhere to make a pool. Oh yeah, what's this? I don't remember this. Oh, it's got like little holes. And then it's like... Ah, wait. No, I can't do much with that yet. shall I move this? Yeah, and then if I go back to the water gun, and then, you know, I just do some of this, fill that up a bit, look at that, that's cool, it's like a little tap, or a faucet, a faucet, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know how to say it. I'm so sorry if I said that wrong. I don't know why they even call it that. What am I on about? Oh wait, can I stand on this? Wait, yeah, I can. But there's another thing I need to show you. It's actually in the tools menu. I can find it. Can find it. Oh, there it is. Transmuter. Right. For an example, I'll just, I don't know. So yeah, it is on water, so let's just press H. No, I think I already did that. Let's just get a B1 battle droid. Oh, he's got no textures, maybe not him. Just get, I don't know, a Black Mesa scientist. Right, let's just go ahead and, you know, he's, so, that was literally tiny water as well, jeez. What animals? Like, I don't. Why is he in? Why is Father Gregorian? Why is his subtitles like that? I've done something to the game. I've got far too many add-ons. You know, like you know, a beehive. What was that? No, do that again. I don't remember that. Not the bees. I forgot about that. What's a tank inspector? Okay. Look, like you got double crossbar. Crossbar? What am I on about? I meant crowbar. Whoa, what are these effects? Why is it like that on the glass? That's weird. You know, I've got stuff like... I've got, this. Why are her fingers like that? What? You know. Just to... You. Why is bro smiling like that? I just killed a Lego guy. What? Oh, it's the COD HUD mod. Of course. Oh, you got Michael Scott from The Office, from the hit show The Office. It's the guy from The Office. I don't know if you understand yet, but I'm pretty sure it's the guy from The Office. Bro is definitely hurt. No, I think bro. What? What's going on with his mouth? He's really sad. Okay, time to get wet. Is that him? Oh, it's the other weapon thing. Do a bit of that, and then, you know. Bro. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this predicament. That's what that sounds like. Right, I think... Wait a sec. How do I do it again? I forgot. Damn. What is that? Yeah, bro, what am I looking for? Oh. Fine. Let's do some intense commands. Okay. Okay, oh my gosh, what is happening? How about we... What is... Oh, is that the sea hands model? What is that doing back there? Wait, one sec. There's two. Yeah, guys, this is definitely normal. Something's wrong with the game. Right. I guess that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. While I bring out my... Wait a sec. Gun. Wait one sec. I just need to... I don't know, I'm really just doing the most random stuff. But guys, right, I think this is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye. Wait, oh my... And goodbye. See? Goodbye.